Doing a 2v2, and we're going against these random kids, and I'm playing with my friend here today. His name is Reed, and let's get into it. It's 2 to 3 because I'm trying to set my camera to see if we can finish this up.
The more you know. Behind us. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, he's trying to 360 me. Just bounce around a lot. Ah. Wait, we can still come back.
Let's go, guys.
We can still come back. Yep, I can smash.
Being targeted now.
Oh, nice. Oh,
I did no damage.
Nice. Beautiful.
That round.
Beautiful.
Okay, I know what the plan is, so you guys stay with me. They're targeting.
Absolute peak. Let's go.
Round starting.
Wait, where you at? We gotta stick together. We should stick together. 40. I had to run out. Of battle. It's getting intense. 20. I'm dead. You got that, teammate? He's low, I think. Watch out for the sniper. Move a lot.
Move.
It's okay. Rematch?
Alright, well, guys, I'm going to have to end it here. We officially won the game.